Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you have service power steering warning, what can easily cause that on that generation Dodge Challenger? Guys, of course it could be bad power steering, we'll talk about that, but the thing that you want to check is 3 fuses for the power steering and where they're located. Open the hood. When you open the hood and you guys face the engine on your Dodge Challenger, you may have a V6 or V8. On the left side here, you have a fuse box. Press the tabs together here and leave the cover up. You're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, the fuses that we need to check here, let's explain now. We're going to come, guys, okay, in that row, starting here, okay, we're going to have fuse number 2, 3. Fuse number 3 is one of the power steering fuses. Another fuse that you need to check in that row here, that's 18, 19. Fuse number 19. So 3 and 19, 260 amp fuses will need to be checked. Also, guys, you need to check fuse 37. That's 39, 38, 37. Right here. Now, other things for the power steering, guys. You need to check your steering angle sensor. Make sure it's working. Another thing, okay, the power steering itself, it's underneath, guys, on the very bottom of the engine. That power steering now, guys, okay, sometimes people will run over stuff on the road, debris or anything like that, and if the cables disconnect, that could cause it to, okay, not work as well. So make sure the cables are connected, make sure they're clean. Sometimes if you're driving mud, water, okay, that can cause to go in the cables and not to work correctly as well. Remove the cables, clean them and put them back in. If it doesn't work, it could be other things. The best way will be to get a diagnostic tool, read the codes and find out exactly what's wrong. But if you want to see how to replace power steering or rack and pinion on Dodge Challenger, we'll have videos coming on our YouTube channels for your convenience. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones, put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.